Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Today I'm gonna take your EVS class. Welcome to my EVS class. Today I'm gonna teach you your Enjoy with EVS Reader book, page number 22. That is topic flowers. Flowers name and the spelling. You have to identify the flowers and to know the spellings of flowers. Do you know, children? Our earth is very beautiful. Do you know why? Why beautiful? Because of so many varieties of colorful flowers. Have you ever gone to any garden? Have you ever gone to botanical garden in London Cannon Zoo? Somebody have gone. I know somebody have gone to see the botanical garden. Somebody have own garden in their houses. Yes or no? In garden, so many colorful flowers. We find so many colorful flowers. But we don't know the flowers name, correct pronunciation of flowers name and the spellings. We'll know one by one through picture. Okay? First one is marigold. 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 What is this? Marigold. What is this? Marigold. What is the spelling of marigold? Marigold. 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 Do you know, children, this marigold comes in different colors like yellow and orange. Being the most common, bright yellow and orange are used in thousand garlands and to decorate religious statues and buildings. It looks like very beautiful flowers, isn't it? Next, come to next flower. Next, come to next flower. Look at here. Have a look at. What is the flower name? Dahlia. Dahlia. What is the spelling of Dahlia? Dahlia. 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 Dahlias are considered one of the most spectacular garden flowers. Okay? Next, come to next flower. What is this? Tell me. Who will tell me? What is the flower name? What is the flower name? Hibiscus. Hibiscus. What is the flower name? Hibiscus. What is the spelling of hibiscus? Hibiscus. Hibiscus. Okay. What is this? Hibiscus. What is the spelling of hibiscus? Hibiscus. Hibiscus. I know this flower you can find in everybody's house. Yes or no? Hibiscus flowers are large, flat, conspicuous flowers with 5 petals. 5 petals ranging from white to pink, red, purple and yellow. In multicolor hibiscus you can find in everybody's garden. Yes or no? Yes. Next, come to next flower. What is this? Tell me. Gladiolus. What is this? Gladiolus. What is the spelling of gladiolus? Gladious. Okay? Diolus. Gladiolus. gladiolus, gladiolus, gladiolus. Gladiolus is a classic perennial known for its tall flower, spikes, and large, colorful blooms. Great coating flowers, gladioli look spectacular in summer bouquet. Gladiolus are sometimes called short lilies due to their blade-like leaves. Blade-like leaves. Okay. Next, come to the flower. What is this? Daffodils. Daffodils. What is the spelling of daffodils? Daffodils. 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 Daffodils, the flowers rising, are one of the most popular flowers. Daffodil flowers have trumpet shaped structure set against a star shaped background. Okay? Okay, next come to the flower. What is this? Jasmine. Jasmine. What is the spelling of jasmine? Jasmine. 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 Jasmine is a very popular flower around the world because of its unique fragrance. Jasmine flowers are white in most species and some species are yellow flower. Okay, children? Okay, children. Now you tell me one by one the flower's name. Okay, now you can identify. What is this? Jasmine. Next, Dahlia. Next picture. What is this? Daffodil. Next, Marigold. Next, Hibiscus. Next, Gladiolus. Next, Gladiolus. Okay, children. You have to remember all the spellings of flowers. Okay. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.